Okay, one thing occurred to me that's worth mentioning. Let's say we want to take the sine of pi over 2. So here's 0 radians. Here's pi over 2. And the sine of pi over 2 equals 1. And let's take the inverse function, arc sine of 1 equals pi over 2. So again, we're just talking about inverse functions. However, I realize that arc sine is not really a function because there's more than one correct answer. You could, for example, go around the circle pi over 2 radians, but then go another 2 pi. And what would that be? That would be 2 pi plus pi over 2, which equals 5 pi over 2. Okay, what's the arc sine, or excuse me, the sine of, the sine of 5 pi over 2 is also 1, which means the arc sine of 1 can also be, it's also true that the arc sine of 1 is 5 pi over 2, and this could go on to infinity. So there are multiple answers when you take the arc sine of some number. So that, by definition, it's not really a function. You might ask your teacher about that. I'm not sure what the technical term would be, but it brings us back to, on the one hand, if you take the sine of 10 radians, you get one answer and one answer only. But then when you go and take the arc sine of that, 10 is a correct answer, but there are other correct answers.